Hey, quick question before you scroll. Have you ever powered on a machine and instantly felt that calm confidence like, yeah, this is finally it? That's exactly what happens the first week you live with the Skytech Viper. This is built for the kind of person who's done pretending mid-range is good enough. You notice frame dips, you feel stutters, you hate waiting on renders, and deep down you know when hardware is holding you back. If that's you, pause for a second and check the current price and stock, because systems like this don't stay predictable for long. There's always that moment where it clicks. You're in a game or exporting a project and you realize your old setup has been quietly taxing you. Maybe it was fan noise ramping up, random hiccups, or that feeling of dialing settings down instead of pushing them. That's the moment you knew it was time to upgrade. Once you move on from weaker gear, the relief is immediate. Everything feels smoother, quieter, more intentional. You stop babysitting performance and start trusting your system again. That trust changes how you sit down to use your PC. Picture late-night gaming sessions where frames stay locked and motion feels fluid instead of jittery. Long editing timelines that scrub clean without hesitation. Multitasking with streams, browsers, and background apps running while the system barely reacts. Even everyday work feels faster, like the machine is always one step ahead of you. What really stands out isn't just raw power, it's how stable and composed everything feels under pressure. Once you experience that kind of responsiveness, it's hard to go back. And if you're thinking about waiting, remember how often prices jump or stock dries up right when you finally decide. Checking availability now saves you from that frustration. You might wonder if it's more than you need, but that extra headroom becomes a strength. It means longevity, consistency, and not replacing parts a year from now. One surprise benefit you don't expect is how cool and controlled the system stays even during heavy sessions, which makes long use genuinely comfortable. Owning something built at this level feels different. You don't second-guess your purchase. You don't keep comparing tabs open. You just enjoy knowing your setup matches your standards. Everything feels fast without feeling fragile. Gaming becomes immersive instead of technical. Creative work flows without interruptions. Multitasking stops being a compromise. The system feels future-ready, not barely adequate. It isn't the smallest tower you've ever owned. Premium power comes with a higher upfront cost. At some point, you step out of the comparison loop. You stop asking what's almost as good and choose the machine you already knew you wanted. Don't let this turn into one of those upgrades you delay and kick yourself for later. If you're ready to stop settling and start enjoying your PC every single day, take a look at the Skytech Viper while it's still available. This is the kind of upgrade you feel good about long after the box is gone.